Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on sound and vibration over here and scroll down again. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate full calls to enable all disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to enable all disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on vibrate on tap and select one of those options to adjust intensity of touch vibrations, like light, or you can also click on off to turn them off completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!